Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see an interesting app and a useful app called SmartKit. So this is the app. What's the special about this app is this app has a lot of inbuilt feature where we get in different apps. This means we'll get this lot of actions in a single app. We can call it as a, that's why it's named as a smart kit. For example, if we see, I have downloaded this from the Play Store. You can see the available things, what all the things which are included in this app. We can go for the notepad directly here. We can have the translator right from here. We can translate, for example, from English, hello, how are you, and we can convert it to whatever the language we want to. So here, so we can use the translator dictionary right here. uh, Around 33 available various other options which are directly available in a single app. This is abacus, cleaner, battery saver, stopwatch, checklist. So in such a case, to have a different tabs all over the phone, this may be a simple app. And one thing which got my attention in whole of this app is the heart rate meter. I don't know how far it is correct, but we can test it by keeping our finger on the uh, camera lens. Means just now I have kept my finger on the camera lens and it is calculating beats per minute. So I don't know how far it is right or wrong, but just for one time you may have a check it. We can have the calculator here, we can have the calculations here, and we can have the currency converter here. I have seen some currency converter here. So I can check for 100 US dollars in Indian rupees. What's the deal for the Canadian dollar or something like that. So where you can download this, just go to Play Store and search a SmartKit, or I'll drop the link in the description so that you can have a look for once. So here is the game, here is the app, so you can remember the publisher name, and the rating is also quite good, 4.6. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.